stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another video. I want to bring Metafi Yielders to the channel. I've done some extensive research and I like this opportunity because it's a little different. They're not actually trading anything. This is actually a yield farming platform. So I want to start bringing some diversity to the channel. As I've brought a lot of DeFi projects to this channel that pay out nice returns daily. This one would fall under the category of, to me, low to moderate risk because it's not actually trading, it's farming. So Metafi Yielders, in my opinion, would qualify as something that's different. But we're still going to make some money. So I just went ahead and I put a deposit in. So I just want to get my account funded. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back. I'm going to add probably sometime this week. I'm going to go in at the $2,500 level, because on the $2,500 level, you get 3.3% a day, Monday through Friday. So let's pull out a calculator here and see exactly what kind of income this could possibly make you, just based off of 2,500 bucks. You have to go in at least 2,500 to get the 3.3% daily. So that's $82 a day, Monday through Friday, which actually will create an income of $412 a week. That's not bad off 2,500 bucks. So the way these plans operate are they pay you for 30 days, and after the 30 days, they release your deposit. The funds you actually accumulate can be withdrawn weekly. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and get into the official presentation. This is the metaverse's way of earning. The first metaverse-based yield farming passive income project in the world. What is yield farming? More profitable than crypto trading? Before I get into this, the thing I like about a lot of these platforms is it gives you the option to earn income while you're actually waiting. It's okay holding cryptocurrencies, but just buying and holding, it can change your lifestyle. But when the cryptocurrencies start to fall in value, they losing their value, plus you're not earning income. So I like to make income off of the cryptocurrencies I hold. And this gives us that option. Okay, doing well in cryptocurrency these days is not as simple as buying early and holding for a long time. Many pump and dump scams and moonshots that will never materialize. The early adopters benefit enormously from the first movers advantage of Bitcoin as first cryptocurrencies and your Ethereum as a smart contract platform. But what about newcomers? Is it possible that they arrive late to the party? This raises the question on how yield farming or simple farming differs from trading crypto. It is similar to sophisticated trading or something entirely different. More importantly, do crypto believers, the micro investors for whom this guide is intended, have to choose between two in order to gain the most exposure to the space? So then it goes into what is yield farming. Yield farming is a method of producing and earning cryptocurrency from your cryptocurrency holding. It has been compared to farming because it's clever and an innovative way to grow your cryptocurrency. And that's what we're all about here on this channel. This is a manifestation channel, abundance mindset channel. We're trying to grow. And that's what I'm going to continue to drop on this channel. This process entails lending crypto assets for interest to DeFi platforms. That's actually what drew me to this. I like the fact of lending and getting daily income. I'm all about passive income. That's what this is all about. Which deposits into liquidity pools, which is essential a smart contract for holding funds. Okay, so we go into the advantages. As a yield farmer, you may lend digital assets such as DAI to borrowers via a DApp, such as compound. Interest rate fluctuate according to the level of demands. The interest is calculated daily, and you are paid into new comps coins, which may appreciate in value. Comps and AVE are two of the most popular forming DeFi protocols that have helped popularize the segment of DeFi market. What is Metafi Yielders? It's an easy way yield farming based platform where you can register your account, choose an investment, and let the yield farming protocol do the work for you, allowing you to receive daily returns withdrawals within 24 hours. So let me correct myself. So the withdrawals are not weekly, they're daily. Mistake made by me, so I correct myself. Profitability, where there is a risk, there can also be a reward. One thing I like about what drew me into this project was that this CEO is very transparent. Like he's doing Zoom calls, he's available. And that's one thing that we have to look for in some of these platforms. We want to make sure the owners of these companies are available. They have a presence. So that's very important. His name is Michael Dayer, is the CEO of Metafi Yield Farmers and an expert in online marketing. So that made me want to invest. He's available. How does this work? Profitability is our priority. Our yield farming protocol software will do most of the work while you have to register, choose an investment, and invest. After every 24 hours, you get paid on autopilot. I like that. I like the daily income. That's awesome. So I'm definitely going to be putting a larger deposit into this. I just wanted to bring it to the channel so you guys have another option. And as I said previously, 2 yield farming options. So the first one, you have to have a minimum of $100 deposit, and it pays out 30% monthly. Daily profits is 1. So I have one of these going right now. I just want to test it. So I deposited the $100 a day, but before the end of the week, I'm going to go ahead and I'll be in this one. And the minimum is $2,500. So I'll put at least $2,500, and the daily, which will be 3.3. As I illustrated on the calculator, would bring us $412 a week that we can add to our income. So guys, that's what we have to continue to do. We got to increase our income. Because inflation is killing the dollar. So savings is not where it's at. If you actually want to live a life freer, you got to create some passive income. Capture return after in this investment cycle. So it pays out every day, Monday through Friday. Payment cycle for 42 days. Minimum to start $2,500. So yeah, I definitely would do that. So if you wanted to become an affiliate, you can share this project, and they give 18% on affiliate commissions. Will be sharing my link. But guys, also too, if you want to, you can start doing this as well. There's nothing stopping you from starting a YouTube channel. I just finally got around to doing this 30 days ago, and it's growing. So anybody can do what I'm doing. So if you want to earn affiliate commissions, hell, create you a channel. Start your channel. Anybody can do this. affiliate program is designed for you to grow driver platform scaling our product across the world. I'm gonna scale it across the world. So I'm gonna spread this around just like I do other platforms. So it's just showing you the affiliate program, yield affiliates. It's just showing different levels of your affiliate team. But yeah, guys, I would love to have you on my team. I'm gonna spread this around, start advertising this so it can grow. But it's definitely a good opportunity. And you got the roadmap. So guys, Metafi Yielders. It will definitely start getting some of my attention. I'm not your financial advisor. However, on this channel, we're going to continue to show different ways to create that daily cash flow. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And until next time, let's get this money.